It's 10:15. You've taken 2 trades, made almost nothing, and now the market has gone completely flat. You know there isn't a setup, but ending the session at break even feels like wasting the entire morning. So you draw a new level, convince yourself it matters, and take a trade you never planned. The problem isn't that you trade too much. It's that you haven't decided what makes you stop. Today's 2-minute drill will give you one hard rule that stops boredom and frustration from manufacturing another setup. And if you want traders holding you accountable to that rule, join the free Discord linked in the bio. The trade immediately stops you out for negative $200. Now you're not bored, you're frustrated. You tell yourself, I'll make it back on the next one. A candle pushes above the range, and you enter before it confirms. Another loss. Now you're down $400, staring at the chart, thinking, I can't end the day like this. So you increase your size, you take another trade, then another. By the time you finally close the platform, the first 2 trades followed your plan. The next 5 were taken because you couldn't accept the day the market gave you. This isn't really a strategy problem. You're using trades to change how the session feels. When you're bored, a trade creates excitement. When you're losing, a trade creates hope. When you're near break even, a trade promises a profitable day. You're no longer responding to setups, you're trading for emotional relief. And telling yourself to be more disciplined won't stop it. Because once frustration takes over, every weak setup suddenly looks valid. Your stopping decision must be made before that happens. Use the 3-2-done rule. First, set a hard maximum of 3 trades before opening the platform. Not 3 good trades, 3 total trades. Second, 2 consecutive losses immediately end the session, even if you still have a trade remaining. Close the platform and step away. Third, if you feel tempted to invent a 4th trade, write down the setup you think you see and review it tomorrow. If it was real, it will still match your rules when the emotion is gone. If it doesn't, you just caught yourself manufacturing a trade. Back at 10:15, the market didn't owe you excitement, a recovery, or a green day. Your edge was finished. You just refused to be finished with it. Profitable traders don't only know when to enter, they know when they're no longer allowed to. Comment the maximum number of trades you're allowing yourself tomorrow and honor it.